Imagine standing at the edge of a serene lake, pebbles in hand. Each pebble represents a moment of faith, a connection to something greater. You toss them, one by one, into the tranquil water. Some land close, creating ripples that gently lap at your feet. Others fly far, their impact a distant echo. Many, however, fall somewhere in between, uncertain, inconsistent. This inconsistency in faith can feel like a silent struggle, a walk on a tightrope with the winds of doubt threatening to unsettle your balance. It's a journey, and like any journey, it has its share of rough terrains and smooth passages. Now picture a young man named Sam. Sam was a spiritual seeker, much like many of us. He was raised in a deeply religious household, yet as he grew older, he found his faith wavering. Days of profound belief were intertwined with periods of crippling doubt. The inconsistency was disconcerting, unsettling. One day, Sam found himself in a bookstore, drawn to a dusty old book about spirituality. As he turned the pages, a single line stood out to him. Faith is not a constant but a variable. It ebbs and flows, much like the tides of the sea. This simple sentence sparked a revelation in Sam. He realized that faith, like any other aspect of life, is not static. It changes, evolves, and matures. Instead of fighting the inconsistency, he decided to understand it, to acknowledge it, and to work through it. He started journaling his thoughts, his doubts, his moments of faith. He found solace in meditation, in quiet moments of introspection. He spoke to spiritual leaders, read more books, attended workshops. He started to see the inconsistency not as a hurdle, but as a stepping stone towards a deeper understanding of his faith. Fast forward to today, Sam's faith still fluctuates, but he's no longer shaken by it. He accepts it, embraces it, and uses it as a tool for growth. He has found his balance on the tightrope. Much like Sam, each of us has the power to navigate the winding path of faith. It starts with accepting that inconsistency is not a flaw, but a part of the journey. It's about understanding that faith is personal, unique, and ever-changing. Take a leaf out of Sam's book. Journal your thoughts, meditate, seek guidance, explore different avenues of spirituality. Understand that doubts and questions are not roadblocks but signposts guiding you towards a deeper understanding of your faith. Remember, faith is not a destination, but a journey. It's about finding your balance, your rhythm. It's about understanding that the ebb and flow of faith is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength and resilience. So go ahead, toss those pebbles into the lake. Some will land close, some will fly far, but each one will create a ripple, and each ripple is a step forward in your journey of faith. Embrace the inconsistency, embrace the journey, for in the journey lies the destination.